everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and I wanted to give you all a quick House of Sillage unboxing. They did send over a very beautifully packaged, generous box. It's actually very heavy, and I want to unbox this one first for you all before I get into the limited edition collections. As always, before I start, I want to give a special thank you to House of Sillage for being so amazing to me. I truly appreciate you all, and I love all of the products that you send because everything is always super beautiful and well crafted and just the epitome of luxury. So thank you so much, House of Sillage. So let's get into this box. I am not going to lift it because, like I said, it is quite heavy, and I know if I try to lift it up too much, I don't want to break anything because everything in this box is just gorgeous. And I will start with the lighter things first. And so they sent over another hat, and this one says House of Sillage in white with the silver trimming, which is very cute because these days I live in hats, sunglasses, and a mask, and I'm out the door, right? So I do like that. And they also sent over another plush beach towel, which I love these because they feel super nice. While I may not be going to the beach this year, I'm going to keep this for maybe pool usage or future beach visits, something of the sort. So thank you so much for sending this over as well. They also sent over another hydrating facial mist, and this one is in the scent Private Beach, and this one says that it revitalizes and nourishes your face. I am so glad you all sent over another candle because I had been burning this candle back here in little bitty spurts because I didn't want to ever not have that candle, and so I'm so glad I have another one. This one is the Endless Tropics candle, and I love this scent because it's smoky, but it also is very fresh at the same time, and I think that blend is just so unique, and I love this smell. I love this smell, so thank you so much. I'm so happy to have another one, so I'm going to be lighting this one up tonight. Thank you. They sent over the Trend by House of Sillage No. 5 perfume travel spray, and I love their travel sprays because you can just throw them in your bag, and if you're anything like me, you just like to smell good at any given time, and these are so pretty, and these scents are so nice. I've not gotten one yet that I don't like. This is what it looks like. It has this really beautiful greenery, and I think that it's just, I almost sprayed it in my face. That's how much I like the way it smells. I just love this. It smells like grass, but not overly so. It just smells like fresh grass. I love it. So thank you so much for sending this over. And it also has a refill too. So when I'm done with the one in here, I could just change it out really quickly. So all you have to do is just pop it out, and I will have 2 of these. And this one is just super cute. Pop it in your purse, and you can smell good whenever you want to. If somebody else doesn't smell good, you just choo-choo. Next, they sent over one of my favorite things to get from them, okay? So when I see this little box, I already know what's going to be inside. I got a new bow, yay! And guess what color it is? It's Tiffany blue. I'm so excited to have another one. Thank you so much. So in my background, I have a display case, and previously I had MAC lipsticks in there, and I've made the decision to replace those lipsticks with House of Sillage bows, and so far I'm halfway done filling it up. So after this one and the other one that I'm going to show, I need 6 more and it will be complete. But I am so excited because these are so beautiful. They are so well made. You can just tell that these are such great quality by how weighty they are, and on top of that, the lipstick formula that they make is just so sophisticated, and I love these bows. I think that is the cutest thing ever. And then they sent over a lipstick to put in there, and this one is Baroness, and this is what it looks like. A really beautiful neutral nude, and this one is going to live in this bow, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in. And I'm just excited in general to be growing my House of Sillage collection. So here's this box, right? Okay, and you can open up the box here, and as you all see, there's a box inside of the box. Now this is a very heavy box, okay? And you press this button and you can open up the box. Can you all see this? Can we just take a moment here? And then you can open, Kelsee. Look at that, it opens up this way. And you can just see the beauty that is resting inside of this box. Oh my gosh. Is this not the most beautiful perfume you have ever seen? I believe it's Passion de l'Amour. This is just stunning. I love it. And furthermore, not only do I like the way that it looks, but I love the way that it smells. I'm going to smell so much because I've already sprayed. But I love this smell. It is so interesting. And you just cannot place a finger on what exactly it smells like. It's like, what is that smell? So the description of this says, to escape into a sensuous island evening in the south of France with this special curated beauty and fragrance mystery vault by House of Sillage founder and CEO Nicole Mather. It says that this has breezes of vanilla, tropical, aromatic blends. I agree. It is like, that makes me want to go somewhere. It is so interesting, seriously. From the design of the top to the actual scent, I am just in luxury heaven. I love, love, love this. I mean, and this top is just so cute. So the new Wonder Woman collection is in celebration of the new film that they are releasing. This collection is just as beautiful as everything that I just showed you all. You all are going to gag at how pretty this is. So here's the box for the Wonder Woman fragrance. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And it has the card of authenticity too. Let me tell you all the notes of this fragrance. So it has pink pepper, almond, musk, and vanilla absolute. And I actually sprayed this on my live when I was talking about it. And it still is lingering, and I still smell good, even though I have on 3 different fragrances by House of Sillage. I smell good because everything they make is just, oh, so nice. So I love this. I love this bottle. I love how it has the little purple down here. I think that it is absolutely gorgeous. And I think this is just beautiful. It has Wonder Woman here. I mean, when you look at the top of it, it just is fun, and I love it. And I think the scent is amazing. So great job. And I have another little box. So that means I have another little bow. Yes. So the Wonder Woman collection has its own specific bow, and I am in love. It has the Wonder Woman logo on here. It has House of Sillage, and it has the same design as the perfume. And this is just so fire. I am so excited to have this. And they also launched a special color in celebration of Wonder Woman. So let me show you all. So the lipstick is called Wonder Woman as well, and it is a red. So it's a very, very rich, beautiful red. Let's put it at home. Snap. And now she lives there. And now she is at home. So I am in love with everything. I think that House of Sillage is just the bomb brand. I think that they put so much effort and craftsmanship into everything that they do, and you just can tell just because everything is beautiful and no detail goes unnoticed. So let me know what you all think about these products that I showed. I loved my box. Oh my gosh. That fragrance just is to die for. I love it. I love my Wonder Woman fragrance. I've already sprayed it. It smells very much so sweet, but not so sweet to where I don't like it. This is a sweet I can get with. And then, of course, the bows. They're going on display. As soon as I'm done filming, I'm putting them in my display case. So thank you so much, House of Sillage, for sending over all these beautiful products. I will have a link to where you can shop through their website in my description box. It is an affiliate link, so if you go through that link, I do receive a small commission on your sale. And I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super, super soon. Smooches. Bye. Since I filmed my last video, House of Sillage sent over another beautiful package, which I'm so excited about. So I just want to do a quick little addition to the video and add this on in case anybody is interested. So this is what it comes wrapped like. Beautiful as per usual. This picture is beautiful of Nicole Mather, who is the owner and CEO of House of Sillage. I love this picture. So this one is the Whispers in the Garden Bow Lipstick Case Collection. So here's the box that the bow comes in. Nice. I like the gold trimming. Ooh, here's the packaging for the bow. And look at that. Super pretty peach bow. House of Sillage. This one is the Whispers of Enlightenment bow. Oh, so cute. They sent over the lipstick in the shade Baron, Prince, and Queen. Beautiful. You all can see my bows on the wall. I'm going to add my newest bow in my display. And I'm so excited. So thank you so much, House of Sillage. I appreciate your generosity. These gifts are always beautiful. Smooches. Mwah, mwah. Bye.